Hi, I'm Dr. Jameson Mercier, and this is 3 Minute Therapy. We're in the month of October, and October is Domestic Violence Awareness Month. Domestic violence, DV, intimate partner violence, however you phrase it, is a major problem. Major problem for society, for families, you name it. Many people will say, well, you can't tell me about what goes on in my house. Well, while we can't, it is what's called a societal problem. And so we're going to talk about it. When we hear domestic violence, a lot of people say, well, why doesn't she just leave? It can't be that bad if she's staying, or he. And what people don't realize is when you're abused regularly or you're a victim, it does something to the mind. It changes your psyche. It changes you in ways that you can't imagine. The way that men and women are controlled in situations of domestic violence, whether it's sexual abuse, not having access to cash or medication, or even threatening the children. Imagine you trying to get out of an abusive situation and leaving your kids behind. That's crazy. And so there are lots of reasons why people stay. Okay? It's not your place to say they should just go or it's not that bad. The other thing I'll say about women or men just need to get out, you're not necessarily in the clear. The majority of the violence that occurs in domestic abuse, domestic violence situations happens after the victims have left. Women beat men too. On the surface, that sounds kind of funny, but women abuse men also. There are lots of men who experience domestic violence. The terrible part about that is a lot of them feel they can't report it, they can't do anything about it. And a lot of them have had the experience where they go and file a report and they're ridiculed and they're mocked. What kind of man can't control his wife? What kind of sorry man is getting beat by his wife? Come on. We want to show some compassion to these men because otherwise it just continues. You want to begin thinking about a safety plan that involves knowing where to go, having some cash on hand, or access to a phone. You want to be thinking about your safety. Oftentimes, these abusers follow and they stalk and they chase. These are just very difficult situations. Have an idea of what that whole situation looks like. Have a plan, but most of all, keep yourself safe. If you're able to get out, go to a shelter, call the police, see a counselor, see a pastor, but definitely take care of yourself. This is Dr. Mercier, and you're watching 3 Minute Therapy. Keep it here for more.